Hi, welcome to Phase 3, Video 4. In the previous video, we understood what machine learning is from a builder's point of view. In this video, we will answer a very important question. How do we decide what type of machine learning problems we are solving? Specifically, we will understand regression versus classification. This decision comes before choosing any algorithm. So machine learning problems are, defined by the type of output we want. The output decide the type of machine learning problem. Let's move on and understand it. So regression is used when the output is a number. The value can be any number within a range. For example, salary prediction, house price, temperature, forecast. If the answer is a number, it's a regression. Now, classification. So, classification is used when the output is category or label. For example, spam or not spam, yes or no, pass or fail. If the answer is a class or label, it will be referred as classification. Ask yourself one simple question: am I predicting a value or choosing a category? This single question decides the problem type. This is a builder rules. So now let's understand dataset for regression. For that, I will import pandas pandas as pd and define data set reg equals to hours underscore studit and I'll pass value 1 2 4 6 8 comma exam score, then 35 40 55 70 and 85. Now df underscore reg equals to pd dot data frame and I'll pass data reg df underscore reg. Now let's run it. So here exam score is a number and this is a regression problem. Now let's define features and targets. So for that, x underscore reg equals to df underscore reg and then hour as underscore studit and y underscore reg equals to df underscore reg, then exam underscore score and now let's run it. Alright, so inputs are features and output is a continuous number, so we use regression here. Now dataset for a classification, let's define it. So data underscore cls and here we will say hours underscore studit and we will pass value 1 2 4 6 8 and PASSED passed. then we'll pass value 0, 0, 1, 1 and 1. Then df underscore cls equals to pd dot data frame, and then we will pass value data underscore cls and df underscore cls. Let's run it. So here passed is either 0 or 1. This is a classification problem. Now let's define feature and target. So for that, x underscore cls equals to df underscore cls and HOURS hours underscore STUDIED and y underscore CLS equals to DF underscore CLS and PASSED. Now let's run it. So even though the input looks the same, the output type changes. That changes the ML problem. So pause here, same input, different output. This is why understanding the problem matters more than algorithms. If you choose regression when the problem is classification, the model will behave incorrectly. Accuracy number will be, misleading. So prediction won't make sense. And the key line is wrong problem type equals to, a wrong solution. So let's understand the differences between regression and classification. Although regression and classification are both supervised learning approaches, they differ fundamentally in their objectives, output types, and evaluation metrics. Regression predicts continuous numeric values, making it ideal for forecasting and estimation tasks. Classification, on other hand, predicts discrete categories, which is essential for decision-making scenarios like fraud detection or sentimental analysis. The choice between these two depends entirely on the nature of the output variable. The real-world example includes predicting house price will be regression, predicting whether email is spam will be classification, predicting customer churn yes or no will be classification, and predicting monthly revenue will be regression. Common beginner confusion. So many beginners think algorithm decide the problem. In reality, the problem decide the algorithm. If the output is a number, again it's a regression. If the output is a category, it's a classification. Always decide this, before choosing a model. So the summary is we did not train full models yet. We are building understanding first. This is how professionals work. So in summary, regression predicts numbers, classification predicts labels. The output decides the ML problem. Choosing correctly is a builder's responsibility. So in next video, we will actually train a regression model step by step. You will see how everything we learn connects. If this feels slow, that is good. Strong fundamental make AI easy later. So you are learning AI the right way. See you in next video. Thank you.